Each flake a whisper, soft yet biting. Cold hands hold the dark, igniting. The sky it roars, the ground replies. Silent chaos fills the sky. Snowstorm, wild and free, take the world, bury me. Snowstorm, can't escape your cold embrace, your shifting shade. Windows rattle, trees bow low. The earth wears white, a heavy glow. The moon hides shy behind the veil. A quiet hymn, a winter tale. You rage, you calm, you twist, you turn, you freeze, you melt, you crash, you burn. Snowstorm.